Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, which translates to, in the name of Allah, the most graceful, the most merciful.
Ladies and gentlemen,
it is an honor to introduce the man we've all been waiting for, global visionary, founder of the Conscious Planet Save Soil movement. Ladies and gentlemen, Sadhguru. The floor is yours.
This is what I'm talking about. ये हाथ से क्या कर रहे हैं? What is this? हेलो नमस्ते, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल. दिस इज बियॉन्ड कॉन्शियस. आज मैं ऐसे बैठा हुआ था, मेरे को यूट्यूब पे एक वीडियो दिखी. दुबई वेंट क्रेजी व्हेन सदगुरु इन्वोक्ड लॉर्ड शिवा. गूज़बम्प्स गारंटीड. तो मैं देखने लगा वीडियो, लेकिन मेरे को लगा होल्ड ऑन, बिकॉज आई डोंट नो व्हाट टू एक्सपेक्ट. आई न्यू कि वो इन्वोकेशन वो सदगुरु जो बात करने से पहले करते हैं, राइट? एक मंत्र बोलते हैं, एक श्लोक बोलते हैं. आई डोंट नो एग्जैक्टली क्या है. दैट्स एक्चुअली द रीजन व्हाई आई थॉट ऑफ रिएक्टिंग, बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट टू नो अबाउट इट. आई कुड हैव गूगल्ड, नेट पे देख सकता था मैं कि क्या मतलब है, क्या होता है. लेकिन आई थॉट ऑफ डूइंग दिस ऑन चैनल बिकॉज वी हैव अ कम्युनिटी नाउ, वी हैव पीपल हु are into all this stuff, and I wanted to know from you guys. So you guys can share what you believe this thing is, what it does. वो कुछ करते भी हैं ऐसे ऐसे. I haven't watched the video, but I know I've seen whole lot of videos of Sadhguru. तो yeah, genuinely मेरे को जानना है कि पर्पस क्या होता है इसका. इन्वोकेशन करते हैं तो ये स्पेस को प्योर करने के लिए करते हैं, स्पेस को शांत करने के लिए करते हैं, या कुछ एनर्जीज बुलाते हैं अपने पास. तो आई डोंट नो. आई मीन इसमें लिखा है कि इन्वोक लॉर्ड शिवा, बट हाँ शिव ऐसे करते हैं, तो उससे मतलब I don't know. That's the point, right? So I'll just start the video, and let's see what happens here. And before I start, if you're new here, this channel is all about things that are that seem illogical but have profound meaning in life. We may not see it with our naked eyes, but they are there. So we try to find that out. We try to find meaning in those things. कोई भी ऐसी चीज़ जो कि साइंस एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर सकती, अभी हम उस बारे में, हम उन चीज़ों के बारे में बात करते हैं, और वी ट्राई टू फिगर आउट कि होता क्या है. एक और चीज़ हम चैनल पे करते हैं कि वी इनवाइट पीपल, व्यूअर्स, यू हु आर वाचिंग दिस वीडियो, इफ़ यू वांट टू शेयर समथिंग, इफ यू वांट टू टॉक अबाउट समथिंग दैट you think is something that we should know, then please comment down below, or you can book your time directly. There's a link in the description, or you can message us on our Instagram page, Beyond Conscious 7. Links are in the description, and we'll be happy to have you. The idea is to explore, learn, and apply in our lives, because there are so many profound things that our ancestors have done, and they have stored. जो ऋषि मुनि थे, सेजेस थे, राइट? तो बहुत कुछ था, वही हम खोजना चाह रहे हैं, वही सब हम जानना चाह रहे हैं. सो या, लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो नाउ.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, which translates to, in the name of Allah, the most graceful, the most merciful.
ladies and gentlemen,
It is an honor to introduce the man we've all been waiting for, global visionary, founder of the Conscious Planet Save Soil movement. Ladies and gentlemen, Sadhguru. The floor is yours.
दुबई. साउंड इफेक्ट्स डाले हुए हैं. दिस इज व्हाट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट. ये हाथ से क्या कर रहे हैं? What is this?
खलो न जानाति तव जननम् खलो न जानाति तव समापनम् दृष्टो मया तव महाकारः योगेश्वर काल काल योगेश्वर काल काल. Namaskaram and good evening to all of you. I said good evening, huh? Yeah. That's better. Right now it is ticking away. What is ticking away is not the clock. What is ticking away is your life. Those of you who are looking at me through your third eye, all the phone people, it's going straight on the YouTube, don't waste your time. This happened in 2060. When? 2060. A few scientists in the world sought an appointment with God and they got it. And they got this appointment and went there to meet him. Then they said, "Hey old man, you done really well with creation, but today everything that you can do, we can also do, time you retire." God said, "Oh, is that so? What is it that you can do?" They said, "Look at this." They dug up a little bit of soil, made a vague image of a human child, they did all kinds of things. Within a few minutes, the child came alive. God said, "Oh, this is very impressive, but first get your own soil. There is no substitute for soil. Save soil, let's make it happen."
That's the foundation, right? Soil. Soil ना हो तो कुछ भी ना हो दुनिया में. Life ना हो. That does make sense. अभी इतने सारे different backgrounds के लोग they agree. क्योंकि एक चीज़ common है सब में, that is soil. So we need to make sure it's protected and organic content उसमें ज़्यादा हो. मैंने ये देख रखी हैं talks, लेकिन I wanted to check out this specific part. जैसे वीडियो में इन्होंने लिखा है goosebumps, और वो आए. I'm sure आपको भी आए होंगे. But again, I don't know what it is, right? And I don't know if he has explained this anywhere in any video. I haven't watched it. So if you know that video, please let us know. Or if you know the meaning of this thing, this invocation, please let us know in the comments below. In Sanatan, we have so many rituals, right? So many practices, and there are different ways, unique ways to do those practices. And there are experts, like, people who are scholars who have been practicing for life, and they have like their lineages who've been, doing that, and is being passed generation to generation. The different gurus and shishyas, and with initiation and all that stuff. So I'm curious to find out, like, especially this. Let's start with this, right? We watched this video. What does it mean? So ये है वो क्वेश्चंस कि ये क्यों करते हैं, क्या होता है, एंड ये जो हाथ से इन्होंने किया, ये अपना ऑरा को इम्पैक्ट करने के लिए किया. देयर समथिंग दैट एनहांसेस द ऑरा. इनका ऑलरेडी एनहांस्ड है, बट what happens? So these are the questions that are in my mind, and I don't have an answer to these. So I would request you to please let us know. And speaking of rituals and practices and all that stuff, we recently talked about Tantra, Yantra and Mantra, and specifically recorded a video about Shri Yantra. So that was pretty interesting, and we knew about the Yantra, but we didn't know a whole lot of stuff that we saw in the video. So if you're interested, you can check out the video. It will be somewhere in the screen. Yeah, hit like and subscribe if you haven't already. This is our sacred space. This is Beyond Conscious, and I'll see you next time. Take care, guys. Namaste.